Did you know that India was once an island? Yes, around 100 million years ago, India was an island floating in the ocean. This ancient land, shaped by millennia of geological processes, is a treasure trove of diverse cultures, traditions, and histories. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the tropical backwaters of Kerala, India's landscape is as varied as its people. Its rich heritage, steeped in thousands of years of civilization, is just waiting to be explored, so buckle up as we embark on a fascinating journey through India. Math might not be everyone's favorite subject, but did you know that it was in India where the concept of zero and the decimal system were first conceived? Indeed, the roots of mathematics as we know it today trace back to ancient India. Around the 5th century, Indian mathematicians introduced the world to the concept of zero. It was a revolutionary idea that transformed calculations and enabled the development of algebra and calculus. But that's not all. India's contribution to mathematics also includes the decimal system. This innovation, which we use daily, was a significant leap forward in understanding and expressing large numbers. It streamlined computations and laid the groundwork for advancements in various fields like astronomy, engineering, and computer science. In addition, Indian scholars like Aryabhata and Brahmagupta made significant strides in trigonometry and algebra, shaping the course of mathematical thought around the globe. Next time you're crunching numbers, remember you have India to thank for that. Do you pride yourself on being multilingual? Well, in India, that's just the norm. India, a country of over 1 billion people, is a vibrant mosaic of languages. Imagine an intricate quilt, each square a different tongue, all sewn together to create a rich cultural tapestry. India officially recognizes 22 languages, each with its own unique script, grammar, and vocabulary. From the poetic verses of Sanskrit, an ancient language of wisdom, to the melodic cadences of Bengali, each language tells a story, a tale of a people and their history. But it doesn't stop there. Venture a little deeper and you'll discover hundreds of dialects. Each state, each city, and sometimes even each village has its own distinct dialect, adding another layer of complexity to this linguistic labyrinth. This incredible diversity makes India a fascinating study for linguists and language lovers alike. So, if you're a language enthusiast, India is your linguistic playground. Feeling stressed? Why not try some yoga, a practice that originated in India over 5,000 years ago? India's ancient sages, nestled in the serenity of the Himalayas, developed this holistic discipline to unify the mind, body, and spirit. Today, yoga is a testament to their profound wisdom and understanding of human nature. Yoga is more than just a series of physical exercises, it's a philosophy, a way of life that encourages balance, harmony, and self-awareness. Rooted in the Indian culture, yoga has been passed down through generations as a sacred practice, promoting health, wellness, and inner peace. From the banks of the Ganges to the bustling streets of New York, yoga has spread its wings, captivating hearts worldwide. It has evolved, adapted, and integrated into various cultures, yet its essence remains unchanged. A true embodiment of India's rich heritage and spiritual depth, yoga is just one of India's many gifts to the world. India isn't just about its rich culture and history, it's also home to some of the world's most stunning architectural marvels. Let's start with the Taj Mahal, an iconic symbol of love that captivates the world with its immaculate white marble dome and intricate carvings. This architectural masterpiece is a testament to the grandeur of the Mughal Empire, and its beauty has only grown over the last 350 years since it was built. Next, we journey to the temples of Khajuraho, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These temples are renowned for their intricate sculptures that depict daily life, spirituality, and even eroticism. Crafted in the 10th century, these architectural wonders showcase the mastery of ancient Indian artisans and their deep understanding of aesthetics and symmetry. Finally, we visit the palaces of Rajasthan. These grand structures are a tribute to the region's royal past, displaying a blend of Rajput and Mughal architectural styles. From the towering forts of Jodhpur to the floating palaces of Udaipur, each palace tells a unique story of India's rich royal heritage. These are just a few examples of the architectural gems that are scattered across this diverse country. Each monument, each structure, is a page in the vast book of India's history, waiting to be read and appreciated. From ancient wonders to modern marvels, India's architectural feats are a testament to its rich history and vibrant culture. From its deep-rooted history to its diverse culture, India truly is a land of wonders. Remember, it's the birthplace of mathematics, a linguistic kaleidoscope, the home of yoga, and a canvas of architectural marvels. So, when are you planning your trip to discover the wonders of India?